Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can create a green screen template on CapCut PC. So for instance, you want to have like a person on a green screen just to like share it as a template, I guess. You're just going to select a video. Actually, I'll select this one. Then just like remove backgrounds, like auto removal. Make sure it's on the first track as well. Once that's done, go to basic, go to canvas, and then you're going to scroll down to color. Then you're going to select this green or this one. And that is pretty much it. You can now just export it. I know it's not perfect because of how she's walking. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.